Hey friends, if you wish to check battery usage and health in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So we have a command here which is power cfg space / battery report. Copy it, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste it and hit enter. Now it doesn't give the report, it gives you a file path. All you need to do is copy this file path. Press Windows plus R, paste the path here in the run window and hit enter. It will open the report in the Microsoft Edge browser or any other browser that is set as the default one, and you can check the list of installed batteries, the design capacity, the initial one, and the full charge capacity right now. So my computer is quite old and I am satisfied with these results. Okay, so it's still working at 80% or 85% of the capacity. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.